Hello and welcome to the Duplexer tutorial as labeled above. Alright, now basically what this is a merger, which means it brings together a whole bunch of data, or A through D, and then sends it through a packet, which can be any numbers. So for this one, A is going to be 5, B is going to be 12, C is going to be 52, and D is going to be 81. Basically what that means is that this one's going to be set up as A, output A. This one is going to be set up as B, output B. This one's set up as C, output C. Of course we got to do it right. And this one's going to be output D. Now, what table means is this merger will output a table, and this one reads that table. So if I connect the table to the merger table, it reads A through D from that merger to this splitter. Splitter takes a packet and then splits it into the 4 parts that it needs. And you could use more than that, but I only choose to use A through D. It goes to H, so that's why it's called the 8x merger, 8x splitter. And what the value retriever does is it takes the table, any table, which is going to be that one right there, and it reads whatever value you are at. Since A is the equivalent of value 1 for the index of it is at the 1, so that should be value A, which is 5. Value B, which is 2, is 12. Value C, which is 3, is 52. And value 4, which is 81, is, yeah, there you go, D. So that's basically it. I mean, all you gotta do is wire the index to an up-down counter. You can make one yourself, or I might do a tutorial on that, and then count the numbers 1 through 8, and then it'll read from that index. Then you wire table to the appropriate merger, which will put all of the information into one table. Same with this. Just table goes into the appropriate merger, or duplexer. And moving on to the duplexer, what I got set up here is each one of these screens shows the value that it's currently at, and the bottom part of the screen where it says 0 right now is where the value is going to be from the duplexer. So now this has both splitter and merger built into one. If I wire A to 5, B to 6, C to 7, and D to 8, then that will output all that into a table, which I can now read from this. If I go to table and then go here, it'll output the table, or A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So I want to read the table with this. So now I'm going to wire B to A, B from the screen to B, A from here goes to C, and A from here goes to D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it also goes in reverse. A goes to 4, B goes to 3, C goes to 2, and D goes to 1. And then we wire up, we take the table from here, we wire that to the duplexer output table. So now when I wire B from here, I go to A, B from here, we go to B, A from here, we go to, actually this one's going to be D, and then A from here goes to C. I kind of did it a little backwards. I did it right. Okay, this one goes to C. And then this one goes to D. Close enough. So if you get it, that's how it works. It sends A through H, and it also receives A through H. This one sends A through H, also receives A through H. You can use a value retriever on that one as well, which I'll show you here. You can connect this all the way over to here to this table, output table. Maybe not. Yeah, I got ahead of myself. So our value retriever only goes from the merger, not anything else. Because I'm an idiot. Anyway, there you go. Enjoy.